We are in the Brightwood neighborhood of Washington, D.C., Northwest, and I found a stunning, fully renovated, 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath Wardman row home. And it's kind of perfect. Come on, let me show it to you.
The first thing that hits you when you enter this stunning home is all the natural light pouring in. That's because there are newer windows on 3 different sides of this end unit row home. This space has also been thoughtfully redesigned with recessed lighting, directional lighting, under cabinet lighting, and pendant lighting to just light up your life. We haven't forgotten a convenient powder room for your guests and a breakfast bar for the kiddos. The kitchen also includes beautiful cabinetry with soft closed drawers, stainless steel appliances, and that dazzling granite countertop. You get a full-size Samsung washer and dryer and Ecobee smart thermostat. Let's head upstairs. Here, your primary bedroom retreat awaits. 3 large windows, a ceiling fan on the vaulted ceiling, a walk-in closet plus another bonus closet, and if that's not enough, this is a 16 by 11 foot room. So there's plenty of space to add more wardrobes, furniture, or whatever you need. Now let's check out the ensuite bath. Gorgeous glass tile tubs around. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this right here for you to admire. Heading back down the hallway, we have bedroom number 2 with, again, lots of sunlight pouring into this room. And this room also has a large closet. Now, one of the things about Wardman row homes is that they typically have teeny tiny little airline sinks in them. But this particular bathroom has been very thoughtfully redesigned with a gorgeous shower surround and a normal size sink. Now off to the basement. There's plenty of room to entertain in this gorgeous basement. The flooring has been replaced with really gorgeous wood look tile. And here is bedroom number 3. This space also has gorgeous natural lighting and an ensuite bathroom that has been fully renovated and ready for your out-of-town guests to come crash. Check out that beautiful tile work. You can get a little work done in your office before heading outside to play in the backyard. Sip on a glass of wine while watching the kids kick a ball around in the backyard at the end of a long day.
You know, one of the questions I get asked all the time is, what's parking like? Well, this one has off-street parking in the rear of the home, plenty of on-street parking, but I mean, do you even really need a car? Probably not, since the Takoma Metro is walking distance from here, and that opens the door to everything that Washington, D.C. has to offer. Now, if you are potentially interested in purchasing this home and you need a private showing, be sure to message me or call me, and I'll be happy to make that happen for you. I'm Joie Ashworth, and I will see you around DC.